Hello everybody. All right, we're back, and today we're going to be looking at Euro USD. And with no further ado, let's show that on the screen right now, and let's do this now. All right, USD. Okay, so right now we have a 10-year monthly candle chart, and I'll just start off by doing what I usually do, identifying the major support and resistance. There we go. Maybe there's a line here, descending. Could this be a descending channel? Create a parallel line, put on top. Probably here. Yeah, some. All right, so what I like to do sometimes is just move here my margin and have a longer black area on the side, so I could imagine what's going to happen here, so I won't feel constrained in my analysis. See where the descending channel could end up, that upper line, and that's right, just like that. It's still parallel. Pretty much. That's good enough. All right. So here we are. The price action seems to be in between or heading towards the top of the ascending channel, resistance line. Let's look a little closer here. Right now, the price action seems to be heading into some important support turn resistance around the 121 level, or the 122 level. I'm going to set an alert right here. So you see how I'm starting to drill down from on the monthly chart, start at the extremities, and then move in and see what the closer patterns or signals I could look for within that bigger range, the biggest range in the monthly candle charts. And right here, there seems to be some support, some resistance turn support, and we seem to be doing a flag. Could be a bullish flag or bearish flag, but it seems to be some consolidation flag right here in that area here. So you could probably say a little closer here. And if this resolves, if we have a break, a closure above this a closure above this bearish or this rectangle flag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 month in the going, could be going here, or if ever we have a break to the bottom, there we go, we'd be going back down to previous resistance, now turn support around the 109 area. So these are probably my first intermediate moves within the prevailing classical chart pattern, which is the descending channel. Prevailing trend is still descending on the long term, but within it, there's two directions possible. Either go up and test that descending channel resistance, or just go back down right now and go test that support. There's no play right now for the Euro USD. You have to wait till this one resolves, and after that we could see if we want to play that small move up here to the descending channel line, or if it decides to break down, and we could play the move downwards. And that's about it. We could do a little check on the RSI, see if there's some divergence. Take that peak here, and the RSI, see, we have a price action hasn't reached new highs, so lower high, and the RSI has a slightly higher high. That seems to be some bearish divergence. So you have to be careful now. You're in a descending channel, bearish channel. You have some bearish divergence between these two highs. So this wouldn't, even if it would break out to the upwards above this line, I would probably still want to wait for it to test to break the ascending channel, the descending channel pattern, and have it morph into something else before I would enter and play it. Very delicate. Charts morph over time. Right now, this is what I see. Maybe after a few more candles, I'll have a different perspective, and this will have morphed into a different type of pattern. But right now, no entry and nothing to do, and let the price action decide where it wants to go for a convincing move and A++ setup where we have the highest probability of reaching our possible target. All right, that's about it. And with no further ado, see you next time.